Imagine this, gusto mong magkaroon ng rental business pero wala kang tenants, wala kang maintenance, at higit sa lahat, wala kang tax na babayaran. Sounds too good to be true? Watch this video para malaman mo. Usually, kapag ka nag-invest ka sa real estate, kailangan mo ng malaking capital to start. Siyempre, andyan yung construction, permits, and after nyan, yung paghahanap ng tenants at pag-maintain ng property mismo. What if sabihin ko sa'yo na merong financial tool na pwede kang kumita ng parang may rental income business ka kahit wala kang property?
Wait, what?
With Secure Income, para ka nang may negosyo ng paupahan. Kasi after the 6th year, guaranteed ka nang makakatanggap ng 6% ng face amount yearly for life. Sample, for a 2 million face amount, automatic kang may 120,000 yearly or 10,000 monthly. Para may guaranteed tenant ka na forever. At hindi lang yan, covered ka pa ng 4 million life insurance para sa family mo. Unlike real estate, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking capital agad to start. May flexible payment options ka for 5 or 10 years lang. Kaya kung gusto mong kumita ng guaranteed income habang secured din ng pamilya mo, message me today and let's talk about your Secure Income plan. Bye!